As we get older, staying safe, comfortable, and independent on the road becomes more important than ever. The right car gadgets can make all the difference, helping you drive with greater ease, reducing stress, and giving you the peace of mind you deserve behind the wheel. From boosting safety and visibility to making simple tasks like parking or charging devices effortless, today's car accessories are designed to support you every mile of the journey. Be sure to check the description for more info about all these gadgets. At number 1 is the car door handle assist grab bar. As we age, getting in and out of the car can become more difficult, but this simple, clever tool makes it easier and safer. It fits right into your car's door latch and gives you a firm, stable handle to lean on, helping you sit or stand with confidence and reducing the risk of falls. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and even doubles as an emergency tool with a built-in seatbelt cutter and window breaker. Next up is the blind spot mirror. Changing lanes gets a lot trickier when visibility isn't what it used to be, but this small stick-on mirror makes a big difference. It attaches to your side mirror and expands your field of view, helping eliminate blind spots. Whether you're on a busy highway or just merging into traffic, it gives you more confidence and keeps you safer on the road.
Next up is the Handpresso Auto. For coffee lovers on the road, this portable espresso maker is a delightful companion. It plugs right into your car's 12-volt outlet and, in minutes, delivers a fresh, barista-style espresso using ground coffee or pods. Just fill it with water, add your coffee, pump a few times for pressure, and you've got a warm, satisfying cup without stopping at a drive-thru. It's compact, spill-resistant, and perfect for seniors who enjoy a cozy coffee break while staying close to home or hitting the road. Elevate your travel routine with every sip. Next up is the LifeSaver Jerrycan. This isn't your typical fuel can. It features a built-in purification system that filters water from virtually any source, making it safe to drink in emergencies. For seniors, it serves as both a water container and a survival tool, especially during long road trips or in remote areas. The robust BPA-free design is easy to carry, simple to operate, and ensures you won't be left stranded without clean drinking water. It's peace of mind packed into a practical, easy-to-use package. Next is the WeatherTech ImpactLiner. Think of it as a premium mat for your truck bed, designed to take the punch out of bumps, drops, and heavy gear. It's made from tough, molded material that fits snugly and stays in place even under the toughest loads. Underneath, it has raised rings that help absorb shock and allow airflow so moisture won't get trapped. On top, ribbed texture keeps items from sliding around, and raised edges help contain spills or dirt.
Up next is the heads-up display. Heads-up display projects essential driving information like speed and navigation onto your windshield, so you never have to take your eyes off the road. It's an incredible safety tool that reduces distractions, especially helpful for seniors who want to drive more confidently and safely. Up next is the pedal extenders. Pedal extenders bring the brake and accelerator pedals closer without forcing you to sit too close to the steering wheel. This is perfect for shorter drivers or those with limited leg mobility. It promotes better posture and safer driving, all while keeping you comfortable. Next is the blind spot monitoring sensor kit. Unlike basic stick-on mirrors, this system uses radar sensors mounted near your rear bumper to detect vehicles in your blind spots. When a car enters that zone, a warning light appears on your side mirror or dashboard. Some kits even include an audible alert. It gives you real-time awareness and added confidence during lane changes, especially on highways. Next is the portable tire inflator. A flat or low tire can happen anytime, and waiting for roadside help isn't always ideal. That's where a compact digital tire inflator comes in. It plugs into your car's power outlet or runs on battery, and automatically stops when your tire reaches the right pressure. Easy to read, easy to use, and small enough to store under the seat, it's perfect for topping off tires without the hassle.
Up next is the Night Vision Dash Cam. A dashboard dash cam records your journeys, providing vital evidence in case of accidents or incidents. Models with night vision ensure clear footage even in low light. It adds peace of mind knowing you have an unbiased witness on every trip. And some versions even alert you to lane departures and forward collisions. Up next is the cargo ramp. Lifting heavy items like groceries, luggage, or mobility aids can be tough. A cargo ramp makes it easy to roll items into your trunk without straining your back. Lightweight and foldable, it's a simple gadget that makes a big difference in everyday convenience. Up next is the portable first aid kit. Accidents can happen anywhere, and having a portable first aid kit in your car is essential. These compact kits include everything from bandages to antiseptic wipes and even emergency blankets. First aid kit offer peace of mind knowing you're prepared for minor medical situations while on the road. Up next is the automotive safety kit. Every senior driver should keep a safety kit in car. It includes essentials like a first aid kit, flashlight, a jump starter, tire inflator, a reflective warning triangle, emergency tool with a seatbelt cutter and window breaker, phone charger, and even a blanket and snacks. It's all about staying prepared for the unexpected, giving you peace of mind every time you drive. Up next is the Winntec Mule Assist. This user-friendly dolly makes handling heavy tires and wheels effortless. Just roll the wheel assist under the wheel, lift with gas spring support to a comfortable height, and transport or change your tire without strain. No hydraulics or electricity needed. The ergonomic design protects your back and mobility, perfect for seniors who want independence and safety during tire changes. Next is the Autostarke Side Step. Climbing into a tall vehicle can be a real challenge, especially with stiff joints or limited mobility. The Autostarke Side Step makes that easier by automatically extending when you open the door and tucking away once it's closed. There's no need to bend, reach, or struggle. It gives you a lower, stable platform to step on, reducing strain on your knees and back every time you get in or out. Built from heavy-duty materials and powered by your car's own sensors, it adds convenience without sacrificing style or ground clearance. Up next is the emergency escape tool. It's one of those things you hope you never need, but you'll be glad to have if you do. In a serious accident, every second counts, and this tool could save your life. It's compact, lightweight, and designed to do two things fast: cut through a jammed seatbelt and shatter a stuck window. Most versions are spring-loaded or have a pointed metal tip that breaks glass with minimal effort, making them ideal for seniors with limited hand strength. Up next is the standard Car Caddie. Getting in and out of a vehicle can be tough with age, especially if the car sits low or high. The standard Car Caddie is a simple but effective solution. It straps on to the top of the window frame and acts like a soft, adjustable handle. It gives you something sturdy to hold on to when entering or exiting, reducing strain on your back and knees. It's lightweight, easy to install, and works with most vehicles, making it a reliable aid for everyday mobility. Up next is the tire pressure monitoring system. Keeping your tires properly inflated is key to safe driving, better fuel economy, and a smoother ride. A TPMS makes that easy by giving you real-time pressure readings for each tire right on a small dashboard display or your phone. If a tire starts losing air, it alerts you immediately, helping you avoid blowouts or uneven wear. For seniors who don't want to check pressures manually, this system adds convenience, confidence, and peace of mind on every trip. AluCab 270-degree awning. For seniors who enjoy outdoor trips or tailgate events, this awning offers generous shade and protection from rain. It mounts securely to roof racks and extends nearly 3 sides of your vehicle, providing up to 270 degrees of coverage. The durable, waterproof material sets up in minutes and creates a cool, sheltered area beside your vehicle without bending or tools. Whether you're relaxing on a campsite, enjoying a day by the lake, or just need a break during a long drive, this awning offers comfort and independence wherever you park.
Next up is the eWitGo 4-in-1 retractable car charger. This compact car adapter plugs into your 12-volt outlet and offers 2 built-in retractable cables plus 2 extra USB ports. It delivers up to 72 watts of fast charging power, enough to juice up your phone, tablet, or even a small laptop while keeping your cabin clutter-free. For seniors, the tidy retractable design means no long cables getting tangled, and the dual ports let you charge multiple devices easily during trips. Next up is the Headrest safe. This compact, lockable container discreetly hangs from your car's headrest bars, providing a secure spot for valuables like medications, wallets, or glasses. It uses a sturdy combination lock, is easy to reach from the seat, and doesn't take up floor or glove box space. For seniors, it offers peace of mind by protecting essentials without bending down or digging through compartments. Next is the ERDI 4 cordless electric ice scraper. For seniors who live in colder regions, morning frost on the windshield can be a daily hurdle. This battery-powered scraper takes care of that in seconds, no elbow grease needed. Simply switch it on, press against ice or frost, and its spinning head clears the view quickly and efficiently. Unlike bulky manual scrapers, it delivers fast results without wrist strain, making those cold mornings safer and more comfortable. Last but not least is the swivel seat cushion. Getting in and out of a car can be tough when joints are stiff or movement is limited. A swivel cushion sits right on your seat and rotates a full 360 degrees, making it easier to swing your legs in or out without twisting your back or hips. Most models feature memory foam padding, non-slip bottoms, and breathable covers for comfort and stability. For seniors, this small accessory makes a huge difference in daily comfort, especially for low vehicles or high SUVs.